you can do only in your branches. Okay. So you cannot do the R&D in your central repository. Okay. So default branch is main branch. See, you can create any number of branches like this. But among all this branch, only one branch you can keep it as main branch. You can take any branch. One branch you can keep it as main branch. You can do all R&D in other branches. If you want to push from local repository to central repository, we are going to push from main branch to local repository main branch to central repository main branch. In other branches, we are going to do the R&D. Okay. Next is this one. This part I'll explain you little later. I have to explain some things. Then only you can understand this line. Okay. Let me jump into the practicals. Okay. Just go here. Here. Okay. If you want to see what I'll do, this is my Git here. This is the branch. Okay. So by default, I said that by default, after creating the repository, while initializing the Git itself, you are going to have one branch. Okay. That is main branch. The default branch name is main. Okay. So here, if you want to see how many branches you have, the command is git branch. That's it. See, you are in a main branch. This star will be representing the branch which you are here. Okay. The star will be pointing to the branch. That means you are in the main branch here. Okay. So here, suppose if you want to create new branch, what I want to create one new branch from this main branch. Let me create one branch from the main branch. The branch name, I'm going to keep it as new branch. Okay. I want to create this new branch from the main branch. For that, command is git branch. You can specify the branch name. I want to create new branch. You can create any branch. You can create any name. You can keep any name here. I'm creating new branch. Just press enter. That's it. I have created. How to verify? Just go to git branch. See, I have created one branch called new branch from the main branch. Now where I'm in main branch. See, my star is pointing to the main branch. That means I'm in main branch. But what I want, if you want to switch to new branch, then command is git checkout. If you want to switch to new branch, then git checkout, you can specify the branch. New branch. That's it. Switch it to new branch. How to verify? Git branch. See, your star is pointing to new branch. That means you are in a new branch now. So what I'm going to do is, see, let me do ls here. See, I can able to see these files in new branch. Did I created these files now? No. When I have created, I have created this new branch from this main branch. That means whatever the files are there in this main branch, all the files will get copied into this new branch. Okay, once after creating this new branch, there is no connection between this new branch and main branch. Whatever the things you are doing here, new branch, that main branch doesn't come to know. And whatever the things you are doing in main branch, that new branch doesn't come to know. Let us see. Here I have these files here. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to create one file. Okay, I'm going to create one file here. The file name is Raj file. I'm going to create one file called Raj file. Okay, and I'm going to keep some content here. Okay, so let me do what I'm going to do. So here, let me see the commits also. For that, command is git log --1 line. I just want to see only commits. See, these are the commits. See, head showing new branch. Head means you are in the main new branch, but origin branch is what? Main branch. Original branch is main branch. From this main branch, you have created this new branch. That's why your head is representing new branch. Okay, so here what I am going to do, let me create one file called Raj file. Okay, nano Raj file. So I'm going to keep some content here. Okay, hello Mr. Raj. I kept some content. Okay, so let me save this. Yes. What I'm going to do, I have created one file called Raj file and I kept some content here. Okay, let me verify Git status now. See, I have Raj file which have been created. Okay, and I kept some content in this Raj file, but this is an untracked file. Means Git doesn't know anything about this file, even though you have created this file, but Git doesn't know anything about this file. That's why it is showing untracked file. If I add and commit, then what will be happen? This file will be committed to this new branch, because being a new branch, I am created this file. That's why if you add and commit also, that file will be particular to this new branch only. Okay, let me add and commit here. For that command is git add dot. Okay, now you can use git commit. Git commit -m. You can give any commit message here. That is Raj file. That's it. Okay, just verify git status now. See, working tree is clean. Okay, even if you type git log -one line. See, I can generate one new commit with a commit message. This is my new commit. Where I am now, I'm in new branch. Okay, this is my commit message here. So here, what I have done, I have switched to new branch and I have created one file called Raj file and I have added and committed. Then that file belongs to this new branch. Okay, what I'm going to do here is, now I will switch to main branch. Okay, for that command is git checkout main. That's it. See, you have switched to main branch. How to verify? Git branch. See, you are in main branch now. Your star is pointing to main branch. That means you are in a main branch. So let me do ls here. I cannot able to see this Raj file. I told you, right? Once after creating the branch, there will be no link between new branch and main branch. That's why whatever the Raj file you have created in new branch, that you cannot able to see from this main branch. Now, what I'm going to do is, let me switch to new branch. Git checkout new branch. Okay, see, switch it to new branch here. Let me verify git branch. See, I'm in new branch. Star is pointing to new branch. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create one more file here. One more file here. That is Hari file I'm going to create. I'm going to create one more file called Hari file. And I'm going to keep some content. Okay, so let me create one more file. Nano Hari file. I'll keep some content, that is hello Mr. Hari. I kept some content. Okay, just save this file. That's it. I have saved this file. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is, I have created Hari file here. I kept some content being in new branch, but I am going to switch to main branch now. For switching into main branch, command is git checkout main. Okay, see, you have switched to main branch. Okay, so how to verify git branch? See, you are in main branch. Do ls here. See, I can able to see Hari file here. How can I able to see Hari file? Earlier when I was created the Raj file, I have added and committed to this new branch. If I switch to main branch, I could not able to see this Raj file earlier. But I have switched to new branch again. I have created Hari file and I kept some content. Okay. I haven't added and committed this Hari file, guys. Just remember, I haven't added and committed this Hari file. That's why you can able to see this Hari file even from main branch also. That means if you create any file here, if you add and commit, then only workspace is common here for both the branches. You can create any number of branches here. Workspace is common. If you add and commit, then only that file belongs to that particular branch. If you don't add and commit, then that file you can see from any of the branch. So I have created Hari file here, but I haven't added and committed. That's why even if you switch to main branch also, you can able to see this Hari file here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll switch to new branch and let me add and commit this Hari file here. Okay, if you don't add and commit, that file belongs to all the branches. That you have to remember here. Okay, so let me switch to new branch. Git checkout new branch. Do ls. I have Hari file I can able to see even from new branch also. Let me add here git add dot. Okay, git commit -m. You can give any commit message, Hari file I'll give. Okay, that's it. You just verify git status. See, working tree is clean. Nothing to commit. Okay, your working tree is clean. Now, here, let me switch to main branch now. Let me verify whether I can able to see this Hari file or not. Okay, so git branch. Sorry, if you want to switch to main branch, command is git checkout main. See, I have switched to main branch. How to verify? Just type git branch. See, you are in main branch. Now, if I do ls, I should not able to see this Hari file, right? Just do ls. See, Hari file I cannot able to see here. That means if we create, even if you create one more branch here from this new branch, let us try. Let me create one more branch called test branch from this main branch. And what I will be to having, if you create one more branch, test branch, then commits from this new branch will be copied from here to test branch. Okay. So here, now you can see this thing. You can see the slide, this last point. Okay. So here, files created in workspace will be visible any of the branch workspace until you commit. Commit means you need to add and you need to commit. That is the meaning here. So files created will be created in workspace will be visible from any of the branch until you commit. Once if you commit, that files belongs to that particular branch. Now you can able to understand this line. Okay, so that is the thing. Suppose what I have done here, I have created one branch, that is main branch. Okay, and I have created one branch called new branch. Okay, I have created this new branch from this main branch. That's why whatever the files I am having in main branch, that I can see from new branch. So I have done some R&D in this new branch. What I want, finally, I want this content into my main branch. What I can do? Finally, you are going to merge this branch into this main branch. So if you want to merge, you just have to remember two things. Merge is a pull mechanism. Merge is a pull mechanism. Okay. And second one is, merge is nothing but it is copy and paste. Merge is nothing but it is copy and paste. These two things you have to remember. Means, if you want to merge this new branch into the main branch, okay, you are supposed to be in main branch. You should not be in new branch. Okay. So, let me try to merge here. So, let me verify in which branch I am having. Git branch. See, I'm in main branch now. Okay. So, now let me try to merge here. Further, command is, if you want to merge, command is git merge. Git merge. Which branch you want to merge here? New branch. Just specify the branch name. That's it. See, it has been merged. Whatever the files are there in new branch, those changes has been merged into this main branch. Okay. So here, if I do ls, I should be able to see this Hari file and Raj file now because I have merged this new branch into the main branch. Do ls here. See, I can able to see Hari file and Raj file. I have created these two files being in new branch. Okay, but if I merge here, those files also you can get in this. Even you can get the commits also. Just verify git log --- one line. See, I can able to see Hari file and that related commit, Raj file and that related commit. From where you are going to get this one? From new branch. See, in new branch you have created these files. You have merged this new branch into the main branch. That's why it is showing this one. Okay. Now, if you want to see the content, what is there? That also you can see. Okay, no problem. Now, what you want? I want to push from local repository. Okay, fine. I have done all my R&D. I have merged this branch. Now I want to push from main branch to central repository. I want to push from local repository to central repository. Yes, you can push. Okay, just open your central repo in your GitHub. This is my central repo. Okay, so as of now, I have only 7 commits and 7 commits I'm having. These many files I have. So if I push to central repository, here I don't have that Hari file and Raj file. You should be able to see Hari file and Raj file, right? So you can see that commits also. Okay, so just let me push here. Command is hit push origin main. Okay, just press enter. You just enter GitHub credentials. Just copy this token which we have generated. Copy this token and paste it. That's it. It's been pushed. See, if you open your central repository, you should be able to see those commits and file also. Okay, just refresh this page. See, you can able to see 9 commits. Okay, just 6 minutes ago, we have created this Hari file and 10 minutes ago, we have created this Raj file. If you want to see the content, yes, happily you can go this one. Just select this one and you can see. This is the content which I have kept. This plus symbol will be representing the content which you have kept in this Hari file. Okay, I hope you can understand, you understood this concept called Git branching. Okay, any doubts, guys? Do you have in today's class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Clear everything? Whatever the concepts we discussed in today's class, did you understood those 2 concepts? That is,
Yes, ma'am.
Git ignore and Git branching.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా అయిందా ఈరోజు క్లాస్?
లేదు మ్యామ్, క్లియర్.
ఈ ఫ్లో ఓకేనా?
Okay,
ఓకే
ma'am.
మ్యామ్.
ఓకే, మీకు ఒకవేళ ఫాస్ట్ గా అయితే చెప్పండి, కొంచెం స్లోగా చెప్పండి. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ ఐ ఫెల్ట్ దట్ టుడే ఐ వెంట్ లిటిల్ ఫాస్ట్. ఓకే, మీకు ఈ ఫ్లో ఓకే అయితే నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఈ ఫ్లోనే కంటిన్యూ చేస్తా. లేదు కొంచెం స్లోగా చెప్పండి, ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే కదా ఈ ఫ్లో?
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow you just practice all these things. So we need to discuss some more things in Git. So Git conflict I have to tell you, and some more things I have to tell you in Git. So those things I'm going to explain in Monday's class. So you just, what you are going to do is you just practice all these things. If you practice, then only you can understand these things, guys. Okay, let me stop the sharing. Okay, just practice these things. You don't have any doubt, right? So there are some more small concepts are there. Those concepts I will explain on the Monday's class. Okay, don't have any doubts, right?
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
No.
Thank you, everyone.